Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to know compass in Google Maps. Why use the compass? The compass feature in Google Maps is especially helpful for orienting your direction, navigation on foot, or knowing where you're facing while exploring new places. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the compass in Google Maps. Now you're just gonna have to go to maps.google.com. Now on your mobile device, just go to open the Google Maps application. If you don't have it already, you can find it in the Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Now after you download and install the Google Maps app, tap on the open it, then tap on the blue dot, which is your current location, and a compass icon appears, which has the red tip points north. Rotate your phone and the map will reorient based on your facing directions. You can also enable compass calibration if needed. By tapping the blue dot, select calibrate compass and follow the on-screen instructions, usually a figure 8 motion. Now on desktop, while the web version doesn't include a compass north is always up by default. As you can see here, this is the north. You can't change the orientation on desktop because the the computer doesn't have a gyroscope sensor capture. So while using the web version, you're just gonna have to know that north is always up by default. For example, this is the north side. You can use Street View and rotate the view to orient yourself. For example, I'm just gonna here, and as you can see, a little compass appears in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this is the compass. You can control plus mouse and drag here. And as you can see, the compass orientation changes. As you can see, the red arrow points the north. You avoid using near magnets or metal surfaces and keep your phone's location and motion sensors enabled and occasionally recalibrate for best accuracy. The compass in Google Maps makes on-the-go navigation smoother and more intuitive. Whether you're walking, biking, or exploring an unfamiliar area, knowing your orientation helps you travel smarter and safer. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.